Have to. First one. Have to should be used in present with I. We. You. They. Use have to when something is necessary or a rule. Example. I have to do my homework. It is necessary. They have to wear a uniform. It is a rule. Second one. Don't have to should be used in present tense with I. We. You. They. Use don't have to when something is not necessary. Example. You don't have to come today. It's not required. We don't have to bring food. Optional. Third one. Has to. Use has to like have to, but with he. She. It. In the present. Example. She has to take medicine. It is necessary. The baby has to sleep now. A need. Fourth one. Doesn't have to. Use doesn't have to when something is not necessary with he. She. It. In the present. Example. He doesn't have to go today. It's not needed. She doesn't have to cook tonight. No need. Fifth one. Had to. Use had to with all subjects, I, we. You. They. He. She. It. When something was necessary in the past. Example. I had to wake up early. It was necessary yesterday. They had to walk to school. It happened before. Sixth one. Didn't have to can be used with all subjects, I, we. You. They. He. She. It. Use didn't have to when something was not necessary in the past. Example. She didn't have to go yesterday. It wasn't needed. We didn't have to study last week. No need before. Now please observe the examples carefully for the drag and drop exercise. Have to. You have to finish your homework. We have to leave by noon. They have to study hard today. She has to clean her room. He has to attend the meeting. Do we have to go now? I have to call my friend. Students have to wear uniforms. We have to cook dinner soon. She has to wake up early. Don't have to. You don't have to worry. They don't have to rush. We don't have to buy groceries. You don't have to explain. They don't have to attend. We don't have to leave early. Do they have to come? You don't have to apologize. We don't have to attend. We don't have to leave early. They don't have to worry now. Has to. She has to finish her project. He has to visit the doctor. The dog has to be walked. It has to be done now. John has to drive carefully. She has to answer the phone. The car has to be fixed. He has to attend the class. She has to submit the report. They have to arrive early. Doesn't have to. He doesn't have to pay yet. She doesn't have to cook dinner. It doesn't have to be perfect. She doesn't have to clean up. He doesn't have to call back. It doesn't have to snow. He doesn't have to explain. She doesn't have to cook today. He doesn't have to wait long. She doesn't have to clean now. Had to. She had to finish the project. He had to leave early. They had to wait for hours. We had to cancel the trip. He had to study all night. She had to go alone. I had to call him back. They had to find a solution. She had to wake up early. He had to work overtime. Didn't have to. He didn't have to pay. She didn't have to wait long. They didn't have to attend. We didn't have to rush. It didn't have to be perfect. She didn't have to apologize. He didn't have to explain. They didn't have to call back. It didn't have to snow today. You didn't have to worry. Thank you so much. KNR. Bhavya Sri Academy.in